class. Welcome to online class. This is Nishit Kumar Jwadda in front of you. During the pandemic period, we are suffering from various types of diseases, just like a mental stress. It is our duty to remove such types of stress. Okay, in this pandemic period, I am going to present a new topics for you. Dear class, I think all of you are engaged in your lesson at home. Hey dear learners, do you know anything about this fixer? The woodcutter was awarded with all the three axes for his honesty. Follow. Axes, a material used for cutting, a visible name of an as object. Next, you can follow. Unseen, honesty, it's unseen. It's also name of a quality, a visible name of a quality. Can you guess what we are going to discuss today? Dear learners, I think all of you can guess what we are going to learn today. Yeah, today's topic is noun. It's a very simple, but we hardly realize, we hardly find out, we hardly conduct these topics. So I am going to present a very interesting topics for you. If you very cordial about the topics, you will learn a vast knowledge about the subject or about the matter. Learning outcomes. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to explain noun and its classification, define the definition of nouns, identify nouns. Yeah, it's a nice scenario. Yeah, first one is honesty. Second one is horse or rider. What kind of word do you have observed? Yeah, dear learners, you can see all those words are naming words. All those words are naming words. A noun is the name of a noun is the name of anything. Yeah, you can find two types of picture. Sumai is a girl. Kindness is a novel verse. Sumaya, girl, kindness, verse. You can find a very difference between these types of word. Sumaya, girl, and kindness also verse. In those naming word, a difference from others. Yeah, it's a visible. That's called concrete noun. The noun which is visible, we can easily realize that it's a concrete noun. The second one, kindness and verso. It's not a visible. It's invisible. So it's called a abstract noun. We can easily define the word that the word by naming word which is visible, that's a concrete noun. The word which is not visible, that can be realized, that can be understood, and that can be defined. That's called abstract noun. What are the classification of nouns? Nouns are mainly classified into two kinds. First one concrete noun, second one abstract noun. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডটা দেখা যায়, ধরা যায়, ছোঁয়া যায়, এমন সব ওয়ার্ডকে কি বলি আমরা? কংক্রিট নাউন। আর অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট নাউনকে বলি যেগুলো গুণবাচক, নাম, যা দেখা যায় না, ধরা যায় না, ছোঁয়া যায় না, এটাকে কি বলে থাকি আমরা? অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট নাউন। Right. You can find, make a sentence with the pictures. You can find a very metaphorical, very important pictures for you. All of you are known about the picture. First one, the ball looks green. Second one, it refreshes our mind. Third one, we like fruits very much. Yeah, we like jackfruit very much. At present season is the season of jackfruits. It is called as Joshi season. Joshi, you know the Joshi season? Yeah, Joshi season is a season where we can find a Joshi fruits. Joshi fruits. Just like lychee, jackfruits, and other types of fruits we can find in this season. So I call this season is just like a Joshi season. Yeah, ball, tea, jackfruit. Ball is the ball, tea, and jackfruits are concrete noun because in those what can be touched, those what can be visible. So we call it as concrete noun. Explain the picture. Yeah, love, kindness. Every mother loves her child. In the flood season, a big animal helps or make a sympathy to a other little animal. It's called kindness. Okay, and abstract noun is a type of noun that has no physical existence. It can be realizable. It has no physical existence. অর্থাৎ যার কোনো কি ভিত্তি নাই, তাই না? আমরা ছুঁতে পারি না, টাচ করতে পারি না, শুধু অনুভব করতে পারি। Identify concrete and abstract noun below. Yeah, you can find. I think if you watch the picture, if you observe my class, if you got your deep thoughts or deep knowledge or deep concentrate on my class, you will can easily find out which word is concrete noun and which word is abstract noun. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Yeah, it's a naming word. Concrete noun. Wisdom. Wisdom is abstract noun. It can be realizable. It can be hard trust. Abstract noun. Skills, knowledge, abilities. Those words are called abstract noun. A bird is flying. Here you can find it's also a concrete noun. Next one, flower is blooming. A flower is blooming. It's a concrete noun. The next one, honesty, sincerity, integrity. Of those things cannot be touchable. Of those things can be realized. So it is called abstract noun. Concrete noun. Freedom. It also abstract noun. Generally, abstract nouns are formed with some suffixes like nest, sun, hood, sheep, men, sea, the, type. Or those words can be used with suffixes and then can make a new word, new naming word. Kind. Kindের সঙ্গে নেস যোগে kindness. Preparation. Preparation সঙ্গে সংযোগে preparation. Hood. Boyhood. Childhood. Sheep. Scholarship. Excitement. Importance. Depth. Ability. Of those types of words using after the word, after the root word, can change the whole meaning, that can makes a new name, and that is called as just like a noun. As soon as pair work, identify the concrete and abstract nouns of the bold italic words from the passage below. Mother is the honest, Mother is the most blessing of Allah. Her love is divine. The kindness of mother is incomparable. She always takes care of her children. She provides her children with good foods, beautiful dress. If her child falls in any danger, she says in anxiety, or she stay in anxiety. A mother does not. A mother does her best for the betterment of her children. She always gives inspiration to her children to succeed in life. So we should take care of her cordiality. So of those italic word, you can easily find out which is concrete noun or which word is abstract noun. This is my word. Okay, dear learners, try to open your khata and try to find out the word which is abstract or which word is concrete word. Okay. Okay, dear learners, evaluation. What is concrete noun? What is the main characteristics of a concrete noun? What do you mean by abstract noun? How is abstract noun normally formed? How can you recognize abstract noun? Okay, dear learners, I will provide after the class, I will provide some homework. Write at least 5 examples, names of the concrete and abstract noun from your surroundings environment. Verbs universal. It is very easy to defect a man with strength, but it is difficult to control your emotion. So you have to control your emotion. All the way, dear learners. See you next class. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.